Hello everyone. So today we will solve scan disk scheduling, which is also known as elevator algorithm. Okay. So we have the work queue like this, and we have the total number of cylinders, and we have our initial head at 50. Okay. So we have the direction also towards 0. Okay. So we need the direction because it scans the tracks from end to end, and it processes all the requested that are found in its direction. So we have made the number line, we have written the 0 to 199. So now let us mark 50 over here. Okay, so let us write 50, and then we will allocate all these from the work queue. Okay, so let us write that down. First of all 10, then 30, then we have 70, then 110, and then 170, that is 170. Okay, so here it was 110, and here it is 170. Okay, so initial head is at 50, so we will mark the point first of all over here. Okay, so the scan direction is towards 0. Okay, so it will go towards the 0 till 0. It will execute all the request that the head found in its direction. Okay, so in the track towards 0 we have 30 and 10. Okay, so after 30 and 10 are executed, the head will go towards the 0. We will mark this much now. Okay, and then it will go towards 170. So while going there, it will execute 70 and then cylinder 110. Okay, so first of all, after changing direction, it went to 70, and then it will go towards 110, and then it processes the request at 170. Okay, so let us mark that down. So we will make dotted lines over here. Okay, so we'll join these. So let us join these two. Okay, so we have completed for scan. So now let us calculate the total head movement. So total head movement is the summation of the differences between all these. So we'll calculate it starting from 50. So initially it was at 50, then it went towards 0, executing the 30 and then 10. So we will calculate the difference as 50 minus 30, and then 30 minus 10, and then 10 minus 0. You can directly go like 50 minus 0 plus 170 minus 0, but sometimes it might cause error, so it is better to just calculate some of the differences of each of the movement. So 110 minus 70, and then 170 minus 110. So we wrote for every head movement. So 50 minus 30 is 20, then 30 minus 10 is 20, 10 minus 0 is 10, 70 minus 0 is 70, 110 minus 70 is 40, and then 170 minus 110 is 60. Okay, so now we will add these. So we will add these three terms, that is 50, and then 60 plus 40 is 100, and then this 70, so 170. So now 220 is the total head movement that we got. Okay, so if you get any question for scan, then you have to solve it like this. And scan is also known as elevator algorithm because it works like an elevator, and it gives high throughput because it provides low variance of response time, and it executes every request that it encounters on the way to its particular direction. Okay, and it provides average response time, but it has a disadvantage that it has long waiting time for request for locations that were just visited by the disk arm. Okay, so thank you guys for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Also comment down below if you are having any doubts, or you want me to make video on a particular program or topic. And if you want to access complete video series on a particular programming language, then go to my playlist section, or you can just click on the playlist link inside the description of this video. And if you are from a non-coder background and if you see those videos and solve it with me, then you can become a pro. And also share it with your friends who want to learn some new programming language. So till the next video, study more, worry less, and all the best for your exams. And bye bye.